Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to optimize your Redbubble listings in 2025 so that your designs get more visibility, clicks and sales. So if you are uploading your designs but not seeing any results, this is for you. So first of all, you will have to come on redbubble.com and then log in into your account. Over here you can use some of the searchable terms like wool art, or you can try long sentences like vintage sunset mountain illustration. So if you search for it and if you press enter, it is going to take some time and show you the results. So here you need to just think about what your ideal customer would type to find your product. So you can use a mix of bold and specific keywords like natural shirt or minimalist line art. You can just choose these and avoid one word or any random tag. Make sure that they are related directly to the design and your audience. Now you can use a short paragraph that naturally includes your main keywords, and you can add it in the description of your product. So let's say this is the product on your store. If you click on the edit option over here, you can just simply provide the title of your product. Let's say this is the title of my product. Now here in the tag you will have to provide the main keyword in the form of this sentence. So it has minimalist, the art and the line word. Here you need to provide the description. So in the description you need to just provide these. Description helps with the external search engines like Google. Do not limit your design to just t-shirts and enable as many products as possible. Like you will see the stickers here, mugs here, pillows. So you need to enable each one of these over here: bags, notebooks, etc. You just have to adjust the placement so that it look clean on every item. So this is how you can basically optimize your Redbubble listing. You can also seek help from ChatGPT for the description and the titles. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.